So Kim is a big reader, and she likes reading multiple books at one time. I can't even read one book at one time. So she usually reads them across multiple devices, you know, like the iPad, the Kindle, and then, you know, you have your traditional paperbacks. This is usually what our bedside table looks like. We only have one, so we have to share it. So I've been messing with Fusion 360, and I said, hey, why don't I design something that can fix our problems and make it a little nicer? So I designed this. Nothing special, made out of ASA. I did print it out of PLA first, and it was not very strong. So anyways, so you got your iPad holder, you got your Kindle holder, and you got your single book holder, which we got this. So I'm actually going to come up a little bit more in this front one to keep it a little straighter. But if you're reading a thicker book like that and a thinner book, you can always do this. This would be as many books as my wife would be reading at one time, and that's not including her cell phone. She's probably gonna yell at me, don't read that many at one time, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, she does, don't listen to her. This turned out really good, and then it has, you know, the front for storage, whatever. Only issue I'm having with it, which so far I haven't seen being an issue because I'm not really bending these, because you're putting everything in it, and they're pretty strong. You know what I mean? They actually, being ASA, they're pretty strong. The PLA ones, as soon as I bent them, they broke. But look at this. So this is an issue I'm having. Well, this one didn't really break like that. Other ones I snapped off before. Okay, here we go. So this breaks off right on the surface. Okay. How do I go about designing this so the infill goes in there? Would it go in there? Would the infill just continue from here, from under this layer, into it if the walls are thicker? Or is there some other option I have to put in it to make it do that? Because once I got looking at it, I was thinking maybe just because it's only walls and no infill, that's why I did it on the top layer like that. But I don't know if I'm doing it right. But I did extrude these all the way into the bottom piece, and that's how they're made. They're not actually just made how it kind of printed. Let's see if I can get the line in there. There we go. See that line? Does it print like that just because it's changing speed or whatever? Or is that actually how the print is showing it, as this bottom layer and then the top layer? If anyone has any opinions, I'd appreciate it. But yeah, wasn't worried about breaking it because I'm going to redesign that front a little bit higher so the book doesn't bend. So, yep, that's what I'm working on.